William Evans, and my intention is to attend The Ohio State University and majoring in computer science and engineering.
My name is Graham Ewing. I'm planning on attending the University of Akron, majoring in mechanical engineering technologies.
My name is Katie McMullen. I'm planning on going to the University of Akron and majoring in aerospace systems engineering.
You're going fast.
My name is Nicole Tysa, and I'm going to be attending the University of Akron and majoring in chemical engineering.
My name is Dylan Pollard, and I will be attending Case Western Reserve University, and I plan on studying mechanical and aerospace engineering.
My name is Max Shoemaker, and I will be attending Ohio University and majoring in electrical engineering.